how 3D printing is transforming healthcare, aerospace, and design, the future unveiled. Hello, everyone, and welcome back to CosmoTech Chronicles. I'm Sushant, and today we have an exciting video in store for you. We'll be diving deep into the fascinating world of 3D printing applications in healthcare, aerospace, and design. Whether you're a seasoned enthusiast or new to the concept, there's something here for everyone. So, let's get started. 3D printing in healthcare. Our first stop is the world of healthcare. 3D printing has revolutionized this field in numerous ways. Let's explore some incredible applications. 1. Patient-specific implants. 3D printing allows for the creation of customized implants like dental crowns, orthopedic implants, and even prosthetic limbs. These implants perfectly fit a patient's unique anatomy, improving comfort and functionality. 2. Surgical planning. Surgeons use 3D printed models of patients' anatomy to plan complex surgeries with precision. It provides a tactile understanding of the patient's condition and can significantly reduce surgery time. 3. Pharmaceuticals. Researchers are working on 3D printed drug formulations, enabling personalized medicine for patients. This technology tailors medication to specific needs, improving treatment outcomes. 3D printing in aerospace. Now, let's soar into the aerospace industry. 3D printing has made huge strides here too. 1. Lightweight components. Aerospace engineers can create complex, lightweight components that were previously impossible with traditional manufacturing methods. This reduces the weight of aircraft, improving fuel efficiency. 2. Rapid prototyping. 3D printing enables rapid prototyping, allowing engineers to test and iterate designs quickly. This saves time and resources during the development of new aerospace technologies. 3. Repair parts. In remote locations, it's often challenging to source replacement parts. With 3D printing, astronauts on the International Space Station, ISS, can now manufacture critical components on site, reducing downtime. 3D printing in design. Last but not the least, let's explore the world of design. Designers and artists are pushing the boundaries of creativity with 3D printing. 1. Custom fashion. Designers are creating unique, personalized clothing and accessories using 3D printing. This technology allows for intricate and customized designs that were once difficult to achieve. 2. Architectural models. Architects use 3D printing to create detailed architectural models, helping clients visualize projects before construction begins. It's a game changer in the field of architecture. 3. Art and sculpture. Artists are using 3D printing to bring their imaginative creations to life. From sculptures to intricate art pieces, 3D printing opens a world of possibilities. And there you have it, folks! 3D printing is making remarkable contributions to healthcare, aerospace, and design. Its versatility and potential are boundless, and we've only scratched the surface today. Whether it's improving patient care, enhancing aerospace technology, or fueling artistic innovation, 3D printing is changing the world as we know it. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to CosmoTech Chronicles for more exciting content on technology and innovation. If you have any questions or would like to see more in-depth coverage of any of these topics, please leave a comment below. Thank you for joining us today. And until next time, keep exploring the cosmos of technology.